Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Aisha Yusuf and welcome to another episode of Catch Up with Aisha. Today my outfit is by Zoe Mariam Hassan and we are at Hive which is a co-working space और अगर आपने कभी भी आना हो तो उनके पास बड़े अच्छे board rooms हैं, shared spaces हैं, so you can come and I have partnered with them, so Hive is a place for you. इसके बाद जो इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स, लेकिन अभी तक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग पे बात ही नहीं हुई। और इसके अलावा हमने एक भाई बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त गेस्ट को बुलाया हुआ है जो कि मल्टी टैलेंटेड है। सो दैट इज़ हुमा रेहान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप?
आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू हुमा?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू।
आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू हैव यू ऑन द शो। काफ़ी सारी खातून आई हैं, ख़वातीन आई हैं सॉरी, लेकिन आपकी जितनी ज़बरदस्त चीज़ें आप कर रही हैं, पहले इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग, फिर आपने अपना वेयरेबल्स का एक बिज़नेस स्टार्ट किया, फिर शादी करके जैसे लड़कियों को जाना पड़ता है अपने घर, तो आपने दुबई शिफ्ट होना पड़ा, बट वहाँ से भी यू परसूड इट।
I did.
दैट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। सो टेल मी अबाउट योर दिस न्यू बिजनेस वेयरेबल्स।
So Wear is actually a collaboration that we do with Pakistani artists.
Okay.
Yes, because मैं दुबई में रहती हूँ. I was educated in United Kingdom, and I've been away from home, from Pakistan for so long that I think my roots are here only. So I keep coming back here, and वो Pakistani art is so beautiful.
Yes, indeed.
And I feel that it needs to be shown to the world. And I was like, art को सिर्फ दीवारों तक ही क्यों restrict करो? So Wear is a concept by the styling duo, which is a concept that you can wear your art.
Wow.
तो अब आप सिर्फ पेंटिंग देख ही नहीं, अब आप पहन भी सकते हैं. In fact, I'm wearing.
This is such a unique concept, and she is wearing
my
one
own
art.
shirt. Yes.
That's beautiful. So how does this inspiration and the ideas of creativity, इतना cluttered है market और हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ तो art है, but आपको inspiration कहाँ से मिलती है?
Actually, it's so strange, but inspiration comes from the most strange places. Like, one wouldn't even think कि आप, कभी कोई एक, you visit an orphanage और आप वहाँ से inspire होते हैं, or you go to a hospital and you see so much pain there, आपको, वहाँ से, तो I think inspiration just comes from, in fact, मेरे खुद के business को, it's been 6 to 8 months, and it started when I started visiting Pakistan a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah.
वेरी नाइस। अच्छा हुमा, ऐसा होता है ना कि जो लोग आर्ट में ज़्यादा होते हैं उनके साथ ओसीडी का प्रॉब्लम होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि अगर एक भी चीज़ ठीक से नहीं ऑर्गेनाइज हुई भी तो वो आप ना बेचैन रहते हैं, आपकी रूह बेचैन रहती है। सो इज दैट विद यू एज वेल?
I think so. वो मैं और मेरी पार्टनर सारा दोनों है, because I think interiors is all about perfectionism too. So हम वहाँ बहुत perfect हैं और फिर वहाँ से getting the perfect piece, the right art, the right color that will go with the theme of the house. So and then when that happened, so I was like, okay, now I think we need to go one step more.
Really?
So yeah.
So when did you got this idea कि यार मुझे तो इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग करनी है? क्योंकि क्या होता है कि यहाँ तो मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग पढ़वा लेते बच्चों से वहाँ आपने बोला नहीं इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बनूंगी। What did your family say?
So my degree is in global business.
Okay.
Yes. My degree, because my father is a businessman, so my degree is in global business, and I've done a diploma in interiors.
Wow, very nice. And that too from London?
I did it from London and Dubai.
Very nice. Yes. So then when you come here, what were the challenges you faced in the field of art?
So as such, because I'm a curator, so in particular, I think honestly, all the artists, Pakistani artists, have been so cooperative. Yeah. I haven't, alhamdulillah, faced any challenges. In fact, when I sat with them and I discussed this whole idea of, bringing art to clothing, they were very supportive and they were very encouraging. So, and I take a lot of Pakistani art. I'm a curator, so I, deal with worldwide art. But Pakistani art मुझे promote करने का ज़्यादा ही शौक है.
So, which artist inspires you?
All of them. Let's just say
all of them. Yeah. Chale, that's a very smart answer. when you design the clothes, तो आपको इंस्पिरेशन की तो हमने बात कर ली, अब ये कस्टम मेड भी होते होंगे ना, तो कभी कोई weird डिजाइन आया, किसी ने बोला ये बना दें, you are thinking, I mean, what is he or she even asking for?
नहीं, so actually हमारा ऐसे होता है कि जैसे when I was getting a lot of art from Mashkoor Raza Saab. He passed away. तो उनके साथ एक दफा मैं बैठी and I said, you know, you always make men playing polo. आदमी पोलो खेल रहे हैं तो औरतें पोलो क्यों नहीं खेल सकते? And he's like, एक्चुअली आप सही कह रही हैं, मैं आपके लिए ये बनाता हूँ. एंड आई सेड कि इतने दोस्त साथ बिजनेस कर रही होती हैं लड़कियां, तो वो आप women entrepreneurship हम क्यों नहीं प्रमोट करते? तो he made a few paintings and then I was like, ये mini company के लिए, so now I want to make it accessible for the world. So that's how, so even this is now women playing polo.
So that's very nice. I love it already. So you guys deliver it nationwide?
Nationwide. Our website is active, weartimestsd.com.
Right. And so, these are online pages right now?
So we have an Instagram page, we have a website, we are delivering worldwide. So yeah, हमारी बहुत सेल UAE में भी होती है, लंदन में, because every Pakistani तो हर जगह है and everyone knows these artists.
Yeah. So you told me that you had to move to UAE because of marriage, which is a good thing. मैं तुझे पता नहीं अब सर्दगी से क्यों बोल रही हूँ, which is a good thing. So when you moved there, अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, आपने कहा अल्लाह पाकिस्तान बहुत याद आता है. And it happens with a lot of girls. So when that transition happened and you have to go, एक तो challenge सबसे बड़ा ये कि आपने एक नई जगह पे जाके adjust करना है, plus the career that were flourishing in Pakistan, उसको भी तो restart करना है. So how did you do that?
So actually what happened with me was I got my degree, I graduated and I got married.
Okay.
So for me, my whole life started in Dubai then.
Wow.
So then I got married and I had two beautiful children. Mashallah.
Wow.
So
and you don't even look married. Honestly. Mashallah.
Nahin, mashallah. So I took that gap. And then after that, my best friend Sarah, she had also done interiors from Dubai. So she's like, so no, let's start our company. So I said, okay, let's start it.
Very nice.
And one thing led to the other. Then Alhamdulillah, we started doing interiors.
Right.
And I think jab bhi, entrepreneurship gets very lonely. But when you have someone with you,
correct.
So it's just,
And I think एक partner तो business partner तो होना ही चाहिए, but घर से भी support बहुत ज़रूरी है. I'm sure कि आपके husband ने आपको बहुत support किया होगा इस चीज़ में.
Exactly.
That is why you were able to go out and do a lot of things for your own self.
Exactly.
So how much support you got from your family in this?
I got a lot of support actually. I got a lot of support because when I was studying, when I was also getting my degree, my husband knew कि she can't sit at home. अगर इसको घर बैठाया तो अपनी जिंदगी आजाद हो जाएगी, तो बेहतर है.
He made his life easier.
Easier. He was like, it's better that she's working. There'll be peace in the house.
Very nice, very nice. So when you started working, अब लड़कियां होती हैं ना जब बाहर चली जाती हैं तो उनमें इतने encouragement नहीं आती, उनको समझ ही नहीं आता हम कैसे start करें. They are hunting for jobs and it's not easy to get one. So what would you like to tell them, since you have been working and living abroad? तो कुछ tips या कुछ ideas to them who are looking for job and who are just in seek of to do something.
So I would actually say that, obviously when you move to a new place, you're in a new relationship, it gets challenging, it's, overwhelming. But once you overcome that challenge, it's very, very important for every female, and not for every female, for every human today to be financially independent.
Yeah.
And apart from financial independence, I think it's also, you just know your worth, your identity. You have your own identity outside someone's wife, someone's daughter. You have your own personality. And I feel that is so, so important for every human, for every individual.
True, and that gives you a lot of empowerment from within. That, I'm doing something of my own, from my own. मुझे भी खुद जब से Catch Up with Aisha I started ना, I feel कि life में एक purpose आ गया, एक direction आ गई, something that initiative that I took on my own.
Yeah.
So it gives a lot of encouragement. That's a very good tip कि खुद के लिए बिल्कुल कुछ करें, otherwise फिर यही सुनने को मिलता है कि तुम करती ही क्या हो सब करने के बाद भी.
Exactly.
अच्छा हुमा, that's lovely, but मुझे ये बताएं कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का जो आपका एक सफर रहा है with your partner, ठीक है, उसमें जो है what was the toughest project that you got ever?
So I don't think they are tough projects. I feel understanding the human psychology is a challenge, and हमारे लिए it's been a huge transition because interiors is a service industry and now we are getting more into a, let's say, a
Hmm.
product-based industry.
Correct.
So for us, that transition is major, but I feel that, so I think understanding human psychology
Hmm.
has been a challenge. So I feel that yes, you know, because whether in Pakistan or Dubai,
Hmm.
design wise, creativity wise, like
Hmm.
sky's the limit. You
The
know,
sky is the
you
limit.
know, with
Absolutely.
creativity, sky is the limit. So I feel होता ये है कि people get a bit unrealistic with their expectations and their budgets.
That
So-
could happen everywhere.
So I feel that gets a bit challenging in being like, okay, आपको ताजमहल चाहिए, लेकिन आपका budget
बजट तो
ऐसा नहीं है,
आपका
तो
एब्सोल्युटली ऐसा बहुत होता है कि क्लाइंट्स आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बस आप 5,000 में ना विला खड़ा कर दें, मतलब 5,000 तो मैं बहुत ही कम बोल रही हूँ, बट स्टिल दे एक्सपेक्ट यू नो
Yeah.
अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू कि आप ये
Exactly.
बना दें, मॉडल आपको दिखाया है कुछ जबरदस्त, और पैसे जब आप सुनते हैं कहते हैं इसमें कैसे होगा,
Exactly.
तो सिर्फ ब्रिक्स आ जाए बहुत बड़ी बात है।
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
अच्छा ऐसा हुआ कि आपने यू नो अब उसमें आपने उन्होंने कहा आप पे छोड़ दिया
जी.
जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, और आपने वो कर दिया जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है,
जी,
पर वो
जी.
उनको पसंद नहीं आया जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा था. Has it ever happened with you?
Not really, not really,
Yeah.
because we take a detailed brief. We
Ah,
take a detailed brief.
right.
So even when they say we don't know, then we show them options. We show them
Acha.
pictures. We show them, you know, different textures,
Correct.
materials,
हाँ.
colors. So because then they'll figure out what they want,
Yeah.
and then they'll be happy that way.
So do you think there's a scope in this industry for the, let's suppose for the youngsters who wants to join,
Of
you know,
course.
interior designing industry? There's a scope.
There is a lot of scope. So Pakistan, relatively, I don't know really,
ठीक है.
but UAE market, so there's a lot of scope.
अच्छा.
There's a lot of scope because there's so much construction happening.
हाँ,
There's so
true.
much refurbishment happening.
Yeah.
So you know there are properties that have become old now that people want to refurbish.
Correct.
So there's a lot of refurbishment happening. There's a lot of new construction happening. So yes, that way there is a lot of scope.
Right. Have you joined expos? जैसे यहाँ पे तो मैशन बाजार होता है, वहाँ पे जाते हैं, you know, so you can showcase your work.
Yeah.
So have you done that?
So I have done talks in Index.
Okay.
for interiors in
Correct.
Dubai, क्योंकि वहाँ पे index होता है जो main
अच्छा.
interiors का होता है. So yes, I've done that. But I think यहाँ का ये shirts के लिए तो आप मुझे बताएंगे. अब जैसे अभी आपने मुझे educate किया तो ये तो आप मुझे
नहीं,
educate
मुझे
करेंगी.
सीरियसली कॉन्सेप्ट इतना नया लगा बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड बहुत सारे अब तो स्टार्टअप्स आ गए क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स, देयर आर
Yeah.
न्यूमरस, और सबके अब बात है ना वैल्यू एडिशन कौन लेकर आ रहा है,
Yeah.
समथिंग डिफरेंट.
Yeah.
दिस इज डिफरेंट कि आप एक कैलीग्राफी को अगर मैं देख रही हूँ या मैं एक पेंटिंग देख रही हूँ, मैं सोच रही हूँ वाओ वो पेंटिंग मेरी शर्ट पे आ जाए, यू नो आई एम वेयरिंग इट, सो
Yeah.
हाउ मच कॉन्फिडेंट एंड इंस्पायरिंग आई वुड फील.
Exactly. And you know, even if you go to a place like and you're just sitting, like, you know, someone will just get so inspired by what you're wearing.
True.
And you know, a whole conversation starts. I love what you're wearing. You know,
Yeah.
it's never done before. It has never been done before. It has never been thought of before.
हाँ.
So in fact, मेरी TEDx talk भी इस बारे में थी because and Alhamdulillah the response was so great
Yeah.
by the general public, you know, by Pakistan. So thank you. You know, the response has been great.
It has to, because art connects you in some way.
It does.
You know, when you see art, you just feel connected. एक तो automatically,
Yeah.
फिर अगर दो लोग बात कर रहे हो आर्ट के बारे
Yeah.
में, it's just so magical.
It is. ऊपर से, you know, I am the youngest daughter. I'm the fourth daughter.
Oh, really?
तो मुझे तो था जब मैं आर्टिस्ट से मिली हूँ कि नहीं सिर्फ आदमी क्यों बन रहे हैं, औरतें क्यों नहीं बन रही. तो मैं खुसरो सब्जवारी साहब के पास गई एंड आई सेड कि ये आदमी दरवेशी क्यों है, औरतें
हाँ,
दरवेश क्यों नहीं है.
अच्छा.
तो ही वाज लाइक अच्छा, एक तो इट्स नॉट कि हमें सिर्फ आपको एक यू नो नॉर्मल वो दे रहे हैं, इट्स लाइक अ सिग्नेचर. तो फॉर द
Correct.
आर्टिस्ट आल्सो इट वाज यू नो
Yeah.
अ माइंडसेट शिफ्ट.
हाँ.
So for the consumer they are getting art and for the artist it was a mindset shift.
So how is playing with colors? You know, कभी कभी आप भी जब काम कर रहे होते हो तो confusion तो होती होगी, because maybe you are liking one or more themes for a design,
Yes.
right? But then you are like, how do you decide that इस चीज पे ये अच्छा लगेगा?
So how we decide is that basically एक theme होती है room की.
ठीक
अब
है.
जैसे अगर एक coastal theme हो, so we know कि उस पे you know paintings sort of
हाँ.
boat या sea उस type की theme
Okay.
चलेगी. So it's very important first to decide the theme of the room. Like
हाइव
you know,
ने सही थीम सेट किया आपके हिसाब से? ये आपको सही लग रहा है बिल्कुल.
it's really nice. It's really
No,
nice.
actually, I really like their setup.
It's very
है ना?
modern and it's very like I really like the colors and you know the way that they you know subtly
Yeah.
added the color.
मैं
And
आपको स्क्रूटनी करवाने लाई हूँ आज ऑडिट पे because the interior designer is with us. That's very nice. अच्छा हुमा, ऐसा होता होगा ना कि समटाइम्स यू ऑल्सो गेट वेरी बोर्ड ऑफ योर पैशन, यू नो, करते करते। और फिर आर्ट तो एक ऐसी चीज़ है, हालांकि यू कैन नेवर गो बोर्ड ऑफ इट, बट स्टिल इट हैपेंस। सो हाउ डू यू, वेयर डू यू फाइंड योर क्रिएटिव एनर्जी?
my creative energy, actually what happens is that because it's diversified into interiors, art curation, and launching wear now, I think my creative energy is currently very divided, to be very honest. So, what I think what really motivates me and what really keeps me
Going.
keeps me going is my passion. I
Yeah.
think I love working.
Yeah.
It makes me so happy. It makes me so happy, and I feel that because when your work has a purpose, like the whole concept of wear having a purpose, so it makes me. And even when interiors, when I finish a project and when the client is happy and we've actually delivered what they wanted,
Yeah.
and especially when a client who doesn't know what they want, so when they start कि हमें तो पता ही नहीं हमें क्या चाहिए, to the journey कि actually हमें यही चाहिए था, that is just so motivating and encouraging कि you're like, I think that is what keeps you going.
Wow, beautiful. Huma, what would you like to tell to your younger self, like 18 years old, Huma?
That you should have had more fun. You were very serious. You were very busy getting gold medals and giving, these valedictorian speeches. You should have had more fun.
That is also a good advice. But बहुत सी लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं जिनमें बहुत सारे ख्वाब होते हैं. I was also kind of a girl who always had a lot of dreams and spark in her eyes, but मैं परसू नहीं कर पाती थी. एक डर था, एक शाइनेस थी, और फिर क्लू नहीं था, डायरेक्शन नहीं थी कैसे. अब तो आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया पे आप जैसी खवातीन और बहुत सारी, और मैं भी अपने आप को अब काउंट करूंगी, वी वांट टू गिव डायरेक्शन टू देम, वी वांट टू मोटिवेट देम दैट यू कैन डू इट इन ऑल द राइट वेज बाय ऑल द राइट मीन्स. So what would you like to tell to those girls who want to pursue their passion but they are unable to because of any factor?
So I'd like to tell them that please start whatever your passion is, whether you start small, whether you start little, but start small, start little, but start. Because once you start, eventually you'll get the direction. And I would want to tell their families also to please encourage and support them, because everyone has a dream and everyone just has one life and we all have that right to live. So I would really encourage their families to support them and
ये
encourage
बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है, द फैमिली. जैसे आपने बात कही ना कि आर्ट की फील्ड में व्हाई नॉट गर्ल्स कैन एंटर एंड व्हाई नॉट दे कैन कम इन दिस फील्ड. क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे फील्ड्स हैं जहाँ पेरेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि ये लड़कियों के लिए नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने हमेशा मेल फिगर्स को ही देखा है, तो वो हमारे लिए नॉर्मली वो बन जाता है. बट दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी नॉर्मल. इफ अ गर्ल इज एंटरिंग दैट फील्ड, शी कैन एक्सेल बिकॉज उस बच्ची के भी तो ख्वाब है ना.
Exactly.
Like you are mashallah doing. Exactly. And it's a very unique concept. So tell me more about the wear.
So wear is actually basically abhi to we are working with Pakistani artists. We are aiming next year inshallah to work with international artists, and because I live in Dubai, so work with international artists and then have them collaborate with us and take out those shirts and those wearable clothing, so that the world can see and celebrate art. And not only just have it on walls, we can have it. We are also, paintings are very expensive.
Yeah.
So, we are offering a very cost-effective price. Abhi, 14th August hai, you celebrate independence, you celebrate culture. Our culture is so rich. Pakistan's culture is so rich.
Very true.
And Pakistani art is so beautiful.
Yeah.
I have, when I step out and when I work in Dubai, I see people are like, but your paintings, your artist. So, I was like, why not?
Yes.
Make it more accessible. And, young girls who love art and who love paintings, but at that point they can't afford it. So, they can wear this shirt and they can be like, okay, I'm wearing my favorite artist's shirt.
True.
So, we are bridging those gaps now. जो, वो इतनी एक लंबा एक gap हो गया था ना, we're sort of like bridging that.
That's really nice. What are your goals with this? कहाँ देखती हैं wear को? कहाँ तक जाना चाहिए?
I think अभी तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह शुरू है, but yeah, we have you know, we want to go get international artists. We want to, you
इंशाल्लाह।
know, get more artists on board. अभी
हम्म।
we have taken out our first collection. We are working on our second
मैं तो
collection.
PSL पे भी देख रही हूँ आप लोगों की शर्ट्स पहने हुए
इंशाल्लाह,
होंगे सब।
इंशाल्लाह,
Why
इंशाल्लाह,
not?
इंशाल्लाह, इंशाल्लाह.
बल्कि वाई PSL ओनली कोल्डप्ले के कॉन्सर्ट में जाने चाहिए
बस चीटिंग ना कर रहे हो शर्ट में.
वो एक अचीवमेंट होगी
वो एक चैलेंज हो जाएगा.
So I'll give you an idea ना, so you just wear your shirt and also hold your shirt and hug it. No one will doubt it.
But actually, someone had worn my sweatshirt to a Coldplay concert.
Really?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you have made it already.
Yeah, someone was wearing my shirt at a Coldplay
अब आपने
concert.
सिंगर्स को बनानी है
जी अब मुझे सिंगर्स को
गोल
पहनाना
बड़े
है.
ख्वाब हमेशा बड़े देखने चाहिए
इंशाल्लाह जी अब मुझे
So
बिल्कुल.
that's very nice. और मुझे अच्छा, what's the material of this shirt that you are using?
So it depends. For t-shirts, we have like, you know, cotton.
Okay.
And but for now we are working with denim.
Right.
Yes, so now we are working with denim because we are taking out denim jackets for winter season. We are taking out sweatshirts. But the thing is कि हमारी international requirements भी हैं. So now we've started working for sweatshirts. जैसे अभी I was speaking to one of my vendors और वो कह रहे हैं कि बाजी मतलब अभी मैं इस मौसम में sweatshirt कहाँ से लाऊं?
I know.
So it is I think every business has its set of challenges, but yeah.
अच्छा, Homa, do you think that your model is similar to what Mantu is doing?
It could be, but maybe he's just working on his line. We have like all artists with us. Like, you know, we have we're just not restricted to one art.
Right.
One artist only. We have taken out one collection. Now our second collection is with totally new artists.
Okay.
So we are working with the younger generation artists now.
हाँ, Gen Z के लिए मौका. Gen Z तो हर जगह आ जाती है. Gen Z का होना अब लाजमी है. But it is important because काम इन्हीं workforce के साथ हमने करना है. और Gen Z के हिसाब से हमने adapt करना है क्योंकि वो नहीं होंगे. But बेचारे इतने बुरे नहीं है. I have worked with them. उनको बदनाम ज़्यादा किया हुआ है. But you know, they come with a lot of creative ideas.
They do.
They are actually dedicated since I'm working with them. So they will come up with the solutions.
They will.
So that's really good. अच्छा हुमा, अब जैसे आपने इस वक्त जो शर्ट पहनी है, इसके बारे में मुझे थोड़ा बताएं. ये किस चीज़ से इंस्पायर्ड है, this particular art?
So this is Mashkoor Raza साहब की women playing polo. And what had happened was कि मैं उनसे बहुत आर्ट क्यूरेट करती थी अपने दुबई के क्लाइंट्स के लिए और पाकिस्तान के क्लाइंट्स के लिए, और वो हमेशा यू नो मेन प्लेइंग पोलो.
तो फिर आपने उनसे पूछा
मैं उनसे बैठ के मैंने उनसे बात की.
So now they are playing polo.
Yeah, and they're two females, so that is for the styling duo. That's Sara and me.
Wow.
Yes. So he was like, you know what? I said कभी औरतें क्यों नहीं खेल सकती पोलो? And he said, खेल सकती हैं, तो ऐसे आपने कभी बनाया क्यों?
So that means every shirt of yours has a story.
Every shirt has a story. Every shirt is an iconic piece.
Wow.
Salman Farooqi साहब is known for boats.
Yeah.
तो I said औरतें boats क्यों नहीं चला सकती? तो he made two women riding a boat. तो वो हमारी एक collection आई. खुसरो सब्जवाई साहब जिनके दरवेश are very famous. तो उनको मैंने कहा कि औरतें दरवेश क्यों नहीं? तो you know वो सब जब conversations हुई तो एक साइड पे मुझे आर्टिस्ट को कन्विंस करना था और फिर ये दूसरी साइड पे I had to figure out.
अच्छा, तो जो आपके डिजाइन्स हैं
जी, वो
ये आर्टिस्ट खुद बना रहे हैं?
आर्टिस्ट खुद बना रहे हैं.
Oh, that's it. So every piece is a masterpiece.
Yes,
then.
Yes. और हमारी वेबसाइट पे इनफैक्ट हमारी इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे भी कुछ स्टोरीज भी हैं आर्टिस्ट की, वो आर्ट बनाते हुए हमारे लिए, यू नो हमारी उनके साथ पिक्चर्स हैं, बिकॉज अभी कनेक्शन एक फैमिली टाइप हो गया है ना.
तो मतलब आपने तो आर्ट में वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का एंगल
basically.
So that's beautiful that you have merged the women empowerment side with the art.
Basically, yes.
कि मर्द कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं? कोई ऐसा काम नहीं है जो औरत नहीं कर सकते. That's beautiful. हुमा, मुझे बताएं कि where did you get so much confidence from?
A lot of confidence came from my father, my family. My parents have given me a lot of confidence. I think when I was growing up, I would, you know, कभी लड़कियों के लिए स्पेशली बड़े होते हुए वो सोशल कल्चरल नॉर्म्स होते हैं जो होता है ना कि अभी लड़की ये नहीं कर सकती या I don't think वो हमारे घर में कभी exist किया. There was
Sweet.
nothing as नहीं हम ये नहीं कर सकते. Like मैं बकरा मंडी भी गई हूँ अपने अब्बू के साथ बकरे लेने. So yeah, I don't think there's anything that I haven't done. So
दैट्स ब्यूटीफुल. और वाकई अगर आपको फैमिली सपोर्ट करे ना तो लड़कियां कुछ भी कर सकती हैं, जैसे किसी भी फील्ड में कुछ भी कर सकती हैं, बिकॉज दे आर सो टैलेंटेड. इन योर केस लाइक योर फादर एंड देन योर हस्बैंड माशाल्लाह इज डूइंग. हाउ आर योर किड्स? Are they fond of your art?
They love it. My kids are so fond of the fact that, oh, mama is doing this now and mama is doing this. So they actually really enjoy it. They YouTube me and they'll be finding and they'll Google me and they'll be like, oh, mama's new interview has come.
Our mama is already a celebrity. Flex करते थे स्कूल
वो जाके स्कूल में ये बोल देते हैं कि actually mama is a speaker and this when I go to the school to pick up my children, they'll be like, oh, so are you busy for your talk? And I'll be like, Alaya Musa, what have you all done?
So you have been a TEDx speaker as well.
I have.
You know, there is a challenge that kids face. बहुत सारे बच्चे वो डरते हैं बात करने से. मैंने कितनी बार देखा है कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दी जाती क्योंकि वो खौफ है बात करने का. ठीक है, आप इतने सारे लोगों के सामने बात कर रही हैं, बोल रही हैं. So do you ever fear speaking in front of public?
I used to. I used to a lot. And I really thought that I wasn't confident and I didn't have it in me. But in my college, you know, on my graduation day, वो speech देनी होती one of the students. So I was selected for that. I was a valedictorian.
Wow.
And I was like, okay. So I gave that speech and then, you know, I think I enjoy public speaking also.
Really?
So, and I want to speak to convey a message, you know, to encourage girls, to encourage the youth. तो so
एक्चुअली अगर आप किसी पर्पस से बात करें ना, अपने दिमाग में ये रख के कि मैं जो इन लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ वो मुझे कुछ सिखाना है, तब वो फेयर निकल जाता है कि यार लोग मुझे जज कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
तब आपके दिमाग में एक चीज़ है कि मैं इस वक्त इनकी टीचर हूँ.
Exactly.
मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता था बट मुझे शौक भी उतना ही है.
Exactly.
So then I always used to you know think कि अगर मुझे I have to address public और ज़्यादा लोग, तो मैं सोचती हूँ यार मुझे कुछ सिखाना है.
Exactly.
अब सिखाने के लिए तो बोलना पड़ेगा ना. So that is actually very beautiful that what you do. अच्छा, अब मुझे ये बताएं कि जैसे someone wants to order the shirts.
जी.
ठीक है. So how can they reach out to you or do you have a team या आपके पेज पे डायरेक्ट जाएं, वेबसाइट से करें?
So we have a team in Pakistan.
ठीक है.
So they are managing our logistics and they're managing everything, our production and everything. You can order online. You can go on our website and you can order online. You can go on our Instagram page, which is where XTXT times TXT. So you can go on our page. That will connect you to our website and you can order it on our website.
अच्छा हुमा, लेकिन ये तो आइकॉनिक पीसेस है ना, तो आई एम श्योर कि आप लोग इसे बल्क में नहीं बना रहे होंगे. ये कुछ पीसेस बन रहे हैं, एक्सक्लूसिव होते हैं. तो अब ये तो नहीं हम वहाँ जाए सब आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है.
Actually शुरू हुआ था exclusive, but I think our response and the people loved it, the idea and the concept so much that we don't want to restrict it to exclusivity. So in fact we also, and then we don't want to like charge an exorbitant amount because that defeats the purpose of our business.
So what's the price of one shirt?
So we are actually सारी सीक्रेट्स मैं आपको अभी बता दूं, आप वेबसाइट पे नहीं जाए.
आपने इसके बाद सबसे पहले वेयर की वेबसाइट पे जाना है.
तो आप वेयर की वेबसाइट पे जाके देखें और आप ऑर्डर करें. अपनी 14 अगस्त की लुक आपकी अब ये होनी चाहिए.
आप 14 अगस्त पे तो मुझे अच्छा दिस इज कस्टम मेड आल्सो राइट? लाइक मैंने आपको एक डिजाइन बताया कि मुझे ऐसा चाहिए, सो इज इट पॉसिबल?
It can be, but then it's just for one person. So, you know, but so yeah, we have more generic pieces which are serving more of a purpose on a larger.
What's coming for 14th August?
So for 14th August, we have our this collection, which is all with the iconic artists, but our second drop is coming out very soon, which is very exciting, which is for the Gen Z and which is all like, you know, all fancy things which even I was learning and I was like
their shiz which will match their vibe.
Yes, the vibes and the words and it's a lot Sigma, let's say,
because they are just like कुछ समझ नहीं आता ना. I'm not getting क्या नहीं पता, लेकिन I'm not getting
Yeah.
some things.
Oh,
I
why
hope you
me,
get that
Ari?
something.
I hope you do with wear.
When you wear the wear shirt.
Where then you, I hope you get that. So yeah,
No, it is very Gen Z style also.
it is.
मुझे
It
अच्छा
is.
इसमें so you have multiple colors as well?
We have currently we have white.
Okay.
We had multiple colors, but we are out of stock with that. And now we are taking out our colors for winter.
Correct. So what's the difference between working in Pakistan with the vendors and in Dubai?
Actually, it's because it's different industries
हाँ.
and it's different businesses. It is because वहाँ पे भी हमारे पाकिस्तानी हैं जिनके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं. So it's fun. It's very fun. It's fun. I think we learn. We are also from one of them, so we know how to work with
अच्छा
them.
लेकिन हुमा कभी ये होता है ना कि जैसे आपके किसी एक आर्टिकल की बहुत सेल हो रही है तो अब आपने अपने लॉजिस्टिक्स को मैनेज करना पड़ता है वेंडर्स को पहले से प्रिपेयर रखना पड़ता है कि वो आउटसोर्स करके रखें जो भी आपका मटेरियल है क्लोथिंग फिर आपकी प्रिंटिंग कॉस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग होती होगी तो कभी ऐसा हुआ कि ऑर्डर बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया और अब आप लोग मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे
That did happen in December.
अच्छा
but alhamdulillah, I have to say that our vendors are very good and also our clients were very patient. So if there was a delay, they were very understanding and very accommodating. I think also because, like you mentioned, they're very iconic pieces. They're not available everywhere, and they're not, not those typical. It's not like a typical shirt where you can just find कि अगर मुझे ये color नहीं मिला तो मैं वो लेके वो similar. It's very different. So people also understand it.
Why I'm asking you this is ऐसा होता है जब आप एक पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं अब बहुत सारे लोग जाहिर है आपको देखेंगे तो इंस्पिरेशन भी मिलती है तो आप स्टक अगर हो जाए ऐसी सिचुएशन में लेट्स सपोज जहाँ पे आपने अपने क्लाइंट को भी मैनेज करना है क्योंकि आपने कमिटमेंट की हुई है लेकिन आपको रॉ मटेरियल नहीं मिल रहा ठीक है द वेंडर इज मे बी नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग और ही इज ऑल्सो नॉट एबल टू सोर्स इट सो इन दैट सिचुएशन आप क्या टिप देंगी कि हाउ दे कैन मैनेज एट बोथ साइड्स
I think in that situation you can speak to your client and you can give them alternatives. And I feel everyone understands the challenges of a business. Even if you're a startup or even if you're mid-tier, everyone understands the challenges of a business. So you can give them options.
Correct.
And if they don't want those options, you can give them a refund or you can ask them, you can offer them a discount.
Yeah.
So you can suggest these strategies because obviously if a person is making the effort to come on your website, place an order, clearly they're very excited about it and you want it to be a good experience,
True.
So और अगर वो चीज़ available नहीं है, so then you have to find.
No, this is a very good advice. You need to buy some time from your client as much as you can.
Exactly.
क्योंकि कभी-कभी बहुत से लोग अच्छे भी होते हैं, वो समझ जाते हैं. अगर आप alternatives दे रहे हैं, तो what's best than that?
Exactly.
That's superb. अच्छा, do you relate music with art?
I haven't yet, but that's a very interesting concept.
क्योंकि जब भी आर्ट की बात आती है ना मेरे माइंड में म्यूजिक आता है पता नहीं मुझे लगता है आर्ट और म्यूजिक का कुछ कनेक्शन है जो है जैसे हम कोक स्टूडियो सुनते हैं हम नेस्कैफे बेसमेंट सुनते हैं बेसमेंट सही बोल रही हूँ मैं बट यस व्हेन वी लिसन टू म्यूजिक इज सो कलरफुल
इट इज
आई थिंक यू शुड कोलैबोरेट विद देम
आई थिंक यू आर गिविंग मी अ वेरी गुड आइडिया कि नेक्स्ट कोक स्टूडियो में सब नी शर्ट्स
पहने व्हाई नॉट इंशाल्लाह होपफुली एंड इट विल लुक जबरदस्त क्योंकि उनसे इंस्पायर्ड होके जब आप बनाएंगे ना
एग्जैक्टली म्यूजिक से
सो हुमा इट वाज लवली हैविंग यू on Catch Up with Aisha.
Thank you so much. It was lovely being here.
Yeah, and literally I just felt like कि बस हमने बातें ही करते ये podcast हो गया.
I didn't realize I was actually giving a podcast, honestly.
That is so sweet. And one last message that you want to give to the viewers who are watching you.
Firstly, I would say that please pursue your dreams, follow your passions, whatever your desires are, chase your dreams. And because it will not only empower you, you will also feel fulfilled and you will, feel happy about it and keep going, even if it gets difficult, it gets challenging, you should keep trying and you should not give up because you don't know just that one step might be the step that is what was, stopping you from going forward. And keep buying my shirts.
Yeah, visit the website where right now you have to go. आप लोगों ने वो मीम देखी होगी ना जिसमें बोलते मेरी सिस्टर बोल रही हैं तारीफ ही करनी है आपने आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड कर रही है so whatever she is saying follow. Thank you so
Thank you,
much
Aisha.
and thank you so much to everyone watching. Definitely हुमा से आज बातें करके बड़ा मज़ा आया और एक बहुत ही यूनिक पर्सपेक्टिव हमारे सामने आया कि लड़कियां आर्ट की फील्ड में भी बहुत अच्छा कर सकती हैं बिकॉज उनके अंदर जो क्रिएटिव साइड है वो बहुत अच्छी है. सो पेरेंट्स शुड अलाउ. एंड टुडेज आउटफिट वाज बाय Zoe, by Mariam Hassan. We are at Hive, the co-working space, the best co-working space in Pakistan. And actually, I really love the vibe. They have their co-shared spaces and they have the boardroom, so you can always come and work here. And I will now take your leave. So please, आप सब अपना ख्याल रखें. I will come back at another episode. Please, कराची को बहुत साफ रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज.